He didn't shake it. He keep taking him not to the ring. Yeah, nothing's been done, not one thing. Well, they came in. Yeah. Came down and looked all the way around, I guess. They went down and did complaints. I know somebody put my business on supervisor. That was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday I called. I called another woman and she put me in a voicemail to supervisor. So they can send me a letter and tell me. Yeah, you still didn't get it? Letters that I owe them tax, for license. I have paid nothing about in my house. Another letter? Yeah, again, when they sent me a letter that I had to pay 2020, why you put 222? Why did I didn't sign. I already had license. In 20, I sent a check, they sent it back and said, it's a new thing, and check the date. Right, I put it in my house, I had a key. Yeah. But I had that, when I bought that house, I had to get all the beds out. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, because, I paid $1,500, but they gave it back because it was all taken out. Good. That was when I bought it, it's 89. And they find something going on. Yeah, but they can remember that in all my taxes paid on all of my house, no taxes on, I don't pay taxes on nothing. Water bill, everything, all that up, but you gonna read about me. Yeah. I didn't call for long to call me instead. Yeah. And you can call me, but you get to work, I called the man in there. The permit, and do my back. That's all I'm waiting for. Yeah. I'm waiting for my permit to do the back of my house, so I can rent it out. And I can go to the private house. And they got that tree there. But I'm still gonna get a road because I can get all my money back. Yeah. That will tell me $7,000. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.